Welcome back. In this video, we shall go through the comparison operators in JavaScript. In the previous video, we talked about the assignment operator, which is the equal to sign. But if we want to compare two values, we would say if 10 is equal to 20. We would make use of the double equal sign. This compares the two values and not the data types. Which means if I have a string set to 10 and an integer of 10 compared, it will return true. Let's see a practice. Let me set a variable of num to 10 and let me set a variable of play to a string of 10. If you spot the difference, you'd notice this is a string because it has quotes, and this is an integer because it has no quotes. And let's compare them by saying if num is equal to play, let's console.log correct, else let's console.log incorrect. You will see that the statement returns correct. And now let's run our code to see. And this is because the double equal operator does not check the data type when comparing values. But if I make it triple and I run my code again, as you can see, the return value is incorrect. And that's because 10 is not equal to 10. This is a string and this is a number. So always use the triple equal sign when comparing values. So let's talk about other operators. The less than sign, which is that. We all know that. The greater than sign, which is this. The less than or equal to, which is this. The greater than or equal to, which is this. The not equal to, the not equal to, which is this. I will recommend a full practice with the comparison operators listed here. Before we jump into the next video, let's talk about this operator, the inequality operator. Let's get rid of everything here. The inequality operator is used to check if a set value is not equal to another set value, and it is written like so, using the exclamation mark and the equal to sign. This means what on this side is not equal to what on this side, or what on this side is not equal to what on this side. So let's say I have two variable sets. Let's say, let me still use the num and the play. And let's set this to 5. And I want to ensure num is not equal to play before I run my code. I would say if num is not equal to play, console.log correct for me. Else console.log incorrect. Now let's run our code to see what we have. It gives us correct because num is not equal to play. 10 is not equal to 5. Also, we have what we call the strict inequality operator. The same way we have the strict equality operator, where we had to use 3 equal signs to check the value and data types. In this case, to also check the data types of the two values you are comparing, we will use the strict inequality operator like so. First of all, let's have a string value of 10 here without using the strict inequality operator, and let's run our code. You can see it gives us incorrect, which means our code here is telling us that num is equal to play, and which is actually not correct because play is a string value and the value of num is an integer. So using the strict inequality operator, all we have to do is just come here and add another equal sign here. Now let's run our code. As you can see, our code returns correct currently because actually num is not equal to play. So always make use of the strict inequality operator. Always make use of the strict equality operator for the sake of accuracy. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share.